Gout, often called the disease of kings, is anything but royal when it comes to the pain it causes. This form of inflammatory arthritis can leave you feeling like your big toe is on fire. But what if we told you that your kitchen might hold the key to managing gout and preventing those excruciating flare-ups? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 superfoods that can help you beat gout and keep pain at bay. These aren't just random foods. They're backed by science and packed with nutrients that can lower uric acid levels, reduce inflammation, and boost your overall health. So whether you're dealing with gout or just want to protect your joints, grab a fork and let's dive into these gout-fighting superfoods. Bananas, the portable gout fighter. Starting our countdown is the humble banana, a fruit that's as effective at fighting gout as it is convenient to eat. Key benefits: low in purines, which means less uric acid production. Rich in potassium, which helps excrete uric acid. Contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that can lower uric acid levels. A study published in the journal Nutrients in 2019 found that increasing potassium intake can significantly reduce the risk of gout. Bananas, with their high potassium content, are an excellent choice for those looking to manage their uric acid levels naturally. Pro tip: aim for 1 banana a day as part of your gout-fighting diet. They're perfect as a quick snack or added to your morning smoothie. Cherries, nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Next up, we have cherries, the jewel-toned fruit that's a true superstar when it comes to gout prevention. Key benefits: rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation, may lower uric acid levels in the blood, can help reduce the frequency of gout attacks. A landmark study published in Arthritis and Rheumatology in 2012 found that consuming cherries over a 2-day period reduced the risk of gout attacks by 35%. That's a significant reduction just from eating a delicious fruit. Pro tip: recommended servings are about 1/2 cup of fresh cherries or 1 cup of unsweetened cherry juice per day. Alternatively, consider using frozen cherries or cherry juice concentrate as substitutes. Spinach, the leafy green gout buster. Don't let old myths fool you. Spinach is actually a great addition to a gout-friendly diet. Key benefits: high in vitamin C, which helps lower uric acid levels. Contains antioxidants that combat inflammation. Rich in folate, which may help prevent gout flares. While spinach does contain purines, a 2012 study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that purine-rich vegetables don't increase the risk of gout. In fact, their overall health benefits may help manage gout symptoms. Pro tip: aim for at least 1 cup of cooked spinach or 2 cups of raw spinach daily. It's great in salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Include spinach in meals such as salads or smoothies. Typical portion sizes are 1/2 cup cooked or 1 cup raw. Apples, the crunchy uric acid reducer. An apple a day might just keep gout away. These crisp fruits are more than just a sweet snack. Key benefits: rich in malic acid, which can help neutralize uric acid. High in fiber, which aids in uric acid excretion. Contains quercetin, an anti-inflammatory compound. A study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018 found that regular apple consumption was associated with lower uric acid levels in the blood. Pro tip: enjoy an apple a day, preferably with the skin on for maximum fiber and nutrient benefits. Low-fat dairy, the surprising gout defender. Who would have thought that milk could fight gout? Low-fat dairy products are an unexpected ally in the battle against uric acid. Key benefits: contains orotic acid, which helps the body remove uric acid, provides protein without the high purine content of meat, may have an alkalizing effect on urine, promoting uric acid excretion. A large-scale study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2004 found that men who consumed more low-fat dairy products had a lower risk of gout. Pro tip: incorporate 1 to 2 servings of low-fat dairy daily, such as a cup of low-fat yogurt or a glass of low-fat milk. These can be included in meals or consumed as snacks to help lower body uric acid levels. Green tea, the ancient gout-fighting elixir. This ancient beverage isn't just for relaxation, it's a powerful weapon against gout. Key benefits: Contains catechins, antioxidants that may lower uric acid production, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gout pain, may improve overall metabolism and weight management. A 2015 study published in the journal Arthritis Research and Therapy found that green tea extract significantly reduced uric acid levels in animal models. Pro tip: aim for 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily. If you're sensitive to caffeine, try decaf versions or switch to herbal teas in the evening. Berries, the colorful inflammation fighters. Berries aren't just delicious, they're packed with compounds that can help manage gout. Key benefits: rich in anthocyanins and other antioxidants that combat inflammation. High in vitamin C, which can help lower uric acid levels. Provide fiber, which aids in uric acid excretion. A 2016 study in the journal Nutrients found that berry consumption was associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers in the body. Pro tip: aim for a variety of berries: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. A cup of mixed berries daily can provide a powerful anti-gout punch. Consume approximately 500 grams of strawberries daily for optimal benefits. They can also be served in smoothies, salads, or as a snack. Combine with low-fat yogurt for a gout-friendly breakfast. Olive oil, the Mediterranean gout remedy. Olive oil isn't just for cooking. It's a potent anti-inflammatory that can help manage gout symptoms. Key benefits: rich in oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Contains healthy monounsaturated fats that may help lower uric acid levels. May help improve insulin sensitivity, which is linked to lower gout risk. A study published in the journal Rheumatology in 2017 found that following a Mediterranean diet, which is rich in olive oil, was associated with a lower risk of gout. Pro tip: use extra virgin olive oil as your primary cooking oil and in salad dressings. Aim for 2 to 3 tablespoons daily. Fatty fish, the omega-3 gout protector. While some seafood can trigger gout, fatty fish are actually beneficial for managing the condition. Key benefits: high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, provides protein without excessive purine content, may help improve overall cardiovascular health, which is often compromised in gout patients. A 2018 study in the journal Arthritis Research and Therapy found that omega-3 fatty acids could significantly reduce gout-related inflammation. Pro tip: aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines per week. If you're not a fan of fish, consider a high-quality fish oil supplement. Salmon contains omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce inflammation and may lower the risk of gout flare-ups. Tart cherries, the ultimate gout-fighting superfood. Taking the top spot in our countdown are Tart cherries, the undisputed champion of gout-fighting foods. Key benefits: extremely high in anthocyanins, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects, may significantly lower uric acid levels in the blood, can reduce both the frequency and intensity of gout attacks. A comprehensive review published in the journal Nutrients in 2018 found that tart cherry consumption consistently showed benefits for gout management across multiple studies. Pro tip: aim for 1 to 2 ounces of tart cherry juice daily, or about 20 whole tart cherries. You can also find tart cherry extract in supplement form. Cherries help manage gout symptoms by reducing uric acid levels and possess anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that regular consumption of cherries can decrease the incidence of gout flares by up to 35% within 2 days. There you have it, the top 10 superfoods that can help you beat gout and prevent pain. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you're not just fighting gout, you're boosting your overall health and well-being. Remember, while these foods can be powerful allies in managing gout, they work best as part of a comprehensive approach that includes staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy weight, and working closely with your healthcare provider. Ready to take control of your gout and say goodbye to painful flare-ups? Start incorporating these superfoods into your diet today. Hit that subscribe button for more health-boosting tips, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with friends and family who might be struggling with gout. Remember, food can be your medicine, so let's start healing from the inside out. Let's recap the top 10 superfoods that can help manage and prevent gout. 1. Bananas. Low in purines and rich in potassium, bananas help reduce uric acid levels and inflammation. 2. Cherries. Packed with anthocyanins, cherries can lower the risk of gout attacks by an impressive 35%. 3. Spinach. High in vitamin C and antioxidants. Spinach combats inflammation without increasing gout risk, despite containing purines. 4. Apples. With malic acid, fiber, and quercetin, apples help neutralize uric acid and reduce inflammation. 5. Low-fat dairy. Rich in orotic acid, low-fat dairy aids in uric acid removal and provides protein without high purine content. 6. Green tea, loaded with catechins. Green tea offers anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gout pain. 7. Berries. High in anthocyanins and vitamin C, various berries help lower uric acid levels and inflammation. 8. Olive oil. Containing oleocanthal and healthy fats, olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for gout management. 9. Fatty fish. High in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon helps reduce inflammation associated with gout. 10. Tart cherries. Extremely high in anthocyanins, tart cherries can significantly lower uric acid levels and reduce gout attacks, making them the ultimate gout-fighting superfood. Now we want to hear from you. Which topic should we cover next? Comment below with your vote. 5 easy gout-friendly recipes using these superfoods. Gout versus arthritis. Key differences and natural management strategies. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our related content, The Ultimate Guide to a Low-Purine Diet for Gout Management. Link in the description. Now, I need your help. Did you know that while 95% of our viewers love our content, only a small fraction actually subscribe and share? It's heartbreaking. Your subscription and shares are the lifeblood of this channel. They help us reach more people who are struggling with gout and need this vital information. Please, I'm begging you, hit that subscribe button right now and share this video with everyone you know who might benefit from it. Your simple act of subscribing and sharing could change someone's life today. Don't wait. Do it now. Together we can beat gout and help millions live pain-free lives.